Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the information architecture of a freight forwarding companies. Let's get started. In here I have given illustration about the hierarchy architecture for freight forwarding companies website. This image illustrates the information architecture or IA of a freight forwarding company's website in a clear hierarchy structure. You can see in here the top of level is freight forwarding company as the main entity. You can see in here at the top level, and the below of this the website is divided into 4 main sections: services 1, number 2 about us, number 3 advantages, and number 4 context. All of this is a menu of the website, and every menu has sub-menu. You can see in here the sub-menu of services includes sea freight, air freight, and customs clearance. For about us, the sub-menu any our history, and sub-menu for advantages, why choose us, and sub-menu for contact get a quote. This diagram represents the information architecture of a freight forwarding company's website. It organizes the content into clear sections. You can see in here services about us, advantages, and contact, so visitors can easily navigate and access the most information important. The structure ensures a professional user experience by highlighting the company's core services, credibility, strengths, and direct communication channel through a get a quote as call to action or CTA. This is the example for you if you have freight forwarding companies and you want to create website but you still confused about the architecture of your website, because if you are wrong to make the structure, so it makes your visitor confused, and the ending of this, your visitor cannot buy your services or your products. You can imagine in the website includes header, body, and footer. And for this case, I just give you information for the header section before I have explained you the content of the header. And the content of header includes menu and sub-menu. Okay, I will give example for you. Services in freight forwarding company. Services example content: sea freight, air freight, custom clearance. Sea freight, reliable full container load and less than container load services with global coverage. Okay, you can click these services after or not click hover services menu, so it will be appear this submenu automatically. Say freight, air freight, and custom clearance. If your user click sea freight and then your visitor can enter the page content about sea freight and you can explain about the sea freight, maybe full container load or VCL and less than container load. Okay, after your visitor click this submenu, so your visitor go to the page of this sea freight and your visitor can read the content about the sea freight from your services. See, and next, air freight is the same concept with before. Air freight, for example, the content of air freight, fast and secure international air cargo solution with guaranteed delivery times. Okay, next go to custom clearance. You can give content about the professional support for import or export documentation and custom compliance. You can explain it details. Next, the menu about us. After your user hover on this menus about us, so your user will see submenu this our history, and our history explain about your history company. For example, founded in 25, we have grown from a local logistic provider into a global freight forwarding company serving clients across Asia, Europe, and North America. You can explain your company story starting from zero until right now. Okay, about us. I hope you can explain your company story. Next, go to menu advantages. The example content. Why choose us? You describe why your user have to buy your services or your products, and you have to explain it detail. For example, why choose us? Number one, global network with trusted partner, competitive rates and transparent pricing, real-time shipment tracking, dedicated customer support available 24/7. Next, contact. Example content. Contact form with fields name, email, phone, origin, destination, cargo type, and get a quote button in red. In contact, you give information about your address, company, phone numbers, your company for different branches. If you have many branches of your company, you write every address of the branches. Okay, contact, it means you give information about the address, email, phone number, your company. You have to be careful about for information architecture, but if you are wrong for information architecture, so you have to avoid this. For example, if you are wrong of information architecture, for example, wrong menu, you give name, home, gallery, fun facts, our theme, vacation, random blog, and contact. All of these are wrong menu of your company as freight forwarding. You have to avoid this because if you give a wrong menu, so it makes your user confused and your user will go out of your website. Why all of those is wrong? Because unclear services, not customer focus, irrelevant sections, missing trust elements. Okay, you have to be careful about the wrong menu. You have to make a correct menu. The correct menu like the services about us, advantages, contact. What the impact if you create a correct information architecture? Number one, better user experience. Visitor can easily find what you do, why they should trust you, and how to contact you. Navigation feels smooth, reducing frustration and bounce rate. Okay, number one, if you have a correct information architecture, you can get better user experience. Number two, increase lead generation. Clear placement of get a quote forms and or the other CTA means more potential client will reach out. Client don't waste time searching, making it more likely they submit inquiries. Okay, to the point content, and it makes your user submit their requires. Number three, the impact of correct information architecture, stronger credibility and trust. A well-structured site signals professionalism. If you create this correctly, so it makes a well-structured site signal professionalism. Highlighting about us and advantages builds confidence that you are reliable. Next, SEO benefit, search engine optimization benefits. Search engines understand your website hierarchy, helping you rank better for keywords like freight forwarding Indonesia or custom clearance services. Number 5, scalability. Correct AI makes it easier to add new surfaces or pages in the future without breaking the user flow. I think enough for this explanation about the information architecture. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.